the angle of depression. If you look downwards at an object, the angle that is formed between the horizontal and your line of sight is the angle of depression. So what that means, let's say you've climbed a tree picking fruits, all right? You have the tree and say, this is you holding on to one of the limbs and you dropped a fruit on the ground. Alright? You threw it at your friend to catch and it fell on the ground. And you're looking to see if that fruit was severely damaged by falling to the ground. So your line of sight would be the angle, or your line of sight would be a straight line, between your eyes and the fruit on the ground. And of course, this is the horizontal. So the angle of depression would be this angle here. So that's the angle of depression, all right? Now, we have an example. Somebody is looking down through a window that is 15 meters high at a bag on the ground. If the bag is 30 meters horizontally from the building, calculate the angle of depression. All right, so let's do a little drawing for that example. Suppose this is the building, all right? And this is the window. You're up here looking through the window. So it's maybe an apartment complex or something, and you're looking through the window. And somebody outside says, who left that bag on the ground? All right? Or that bag fell out of a vehicle. I wonder whose bag it is. And the bag is here. And you are looking at the bag. So your line of sight would be a straight line between your eyes and the bag, while the horizontal, of course, would be this. The angle of depression, which you should calculate, is this angle, all right? So that's the angle of depression. Now, the window is 15 meters high, so it's 15 meters going up, and the bag is 30 meters away from the building. I want you to pause the video and calculate the angle of depression, so do so now. All right, so you've paused and calculated it. What did you get? So the angle of depression, let's call it D. Here, you have a triangle. We can form that triangle. Let's say the triangle is this, and this on here, and D would be that angle there. So 30 meters, the 30 meters would be from here to here, and that 15 would be the same 15 here. So since we're talking about this being horizontal and we're assuming it's level ground, then this angle would be 90 degrees. Now we have D. What we have up here is the adjacent side, and the 15 is the opposite side. So we use tangent. Now that tan is opposite over hypotenuse, tan of the angle. So the tangent of D is the opposite 15 divided by 30. 15 divided by 30 is 0.5. So therefore D is, remember what to do? D is the tan inverse of 0.5. So let's try that. The tan inverse, we have a calculator. Tan inverse, no, that's sine inverse. Tan inverse of 0.5 equals 26.565. Let's call it 26.6 then. 26.6 degrees. 26.6 degrees. Alright? So we find D to be 26.6 degrees. That's our answer there.